In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and set your maintenance reminders. Okay, from the main information screen, you're going to scroll over to the wrench symbol. You're going to scroll down to maintenance memo. You're going to select engine oil. Okay, and you can set it by two conditions: your distance or time, which is periodic. So we'll do distance. We're going to do 5,000 miles. Scroll up, 5,000. Press OK. Return. Now I'll show you how to do it by time. Select engine oil. Select periodic. And we'll do 4 months. Scroll up to 4. Press OK. And that's it. You're all set.